What happens here, and here, and here is connected. The health of our planet depends on everything fitting together just right. But there are those who believe that our forests, our air, our earth should be sold to the highest bidder, who believe doing nothing is the same as doing no harm. Those who choose not to act, who are afraid change is not possible. We are not those people. We are the people who stand up, who make the radical reasonable, who make it irresistible. We are the people who believe a tree is worth more standing, who believe change is possible because we've seen it. We see windmills where there were coal fields and forests standing forever. We believe that our economy should be in service to people and the planet. That's why we are successfully changing business as usual forever. Thousands of activists, hundreds of actions, dozens of groundbreaking corporate policies. We are the change makers, the dreamers, the tree huggers, the nature lovers, the non-conformists. We are the Rainforest Action Network.